To connect a flash drive with your Google Pixel 10 Pro, first of all, you will need to find a flash drive with USB-C. If you don't have a flash drive with USB-C, then look for a extender that goes with the male USB-C port and female USB port. Then you can connect this contraption together. So we're gonna go for my drive right here and then plug it into the extender, and then we can connect it to our phone. When it's connected, the next step would be to open a files on our device, and then our USB drive is connected. Let's try to find it right here. So in all storage on the bottom, there's a flash drive that I have connected right here. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.